Let's unbox this Borosil Classic jar set of 7 which I ordered from Amazon. It reached in a neatly and securely packed parcel. The packaging was good and there was no damage. These are the 7 jars that we receive in this, along with the 2-tier rotating tray. It has 4 jars of 600 ml each and 3 jars each with 300 ml capacity. The price of this jar is usually somewhere around 2000 rupees, a little bit up or a little bit down. Why I chose Borosil is because the quality of glass the brand uses is top class, and I have always been a fan of Borosil. Also, these jars can be kept on direct flame, are freezer safe, microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and does not leach chemicals into the food stored inside it. Now let me give you a closer look. So this is how thick the glass is. And this is how tall the 600 ml jar is. And this is the 300 ml jar. The thickness of the smaller jar is also the same. Since the diameter of both the smaller and bigger jars are the same, the lids can be interchanged as well. The lid of the containers has this rubber bush which makes the jar airtight. So the 4 larger jars are placed on the bottom and smaller ones are placed on the top tier. After cleaning the jars thoroughly, I have moved the items that I use on a regular basis to this and see how clutter-free my counter looks now. The upper tier rotates very smoothly and also the lower one. But I feel slight friction in the lower tier as if it is rubbing the base. And also one thing I notice is that the lower tier doesn't rotate independently. It takes along the upper layer too. So in order to take a jar out of the lower rack, we will have to rotate the upper tier as well. Apart from that, I think it looks pretty elegant and minimalistic. Also, as you can see that each jar is very securely placed in sufficiently deep grooves so that there is no chance of the jars falling off while rotating or accidental push. So I have been using this product for 8 to 10 months now and I am really happy with this purchase. When the product was new, I was unsure about how long the rubber bush on the lid will retain its stiffness, and it is still as good as new. Also, the slight friction that I felt while rotating the lower tray is no more there, probably because of regular use and rotation of the tray. Also, another advantage of this set is you get to buy these containers, both 300 ml and 600 ml, separately. So if by chance a jar breaks, the whole set can be restored back by getting just that one jar. Or if you want to increase the storage capacity of this set, you can replace your 300 ml jars with 600 ml jars. Not just on your counter, you can also place it inside a cabinet. Accessing any of the 7 jars is equally convenient because of its rotating trays. All in all, I am happy with its look as well as its usability. Do let me know in the comment section how you liked it. If you already have one, do let me know how your experience has been so far. And if not, are you planning to buy it?